Welcome back, everyone, to your one-stop shop for Agile games, how to play them, the resources you will need, and what you can learn from them. So today we're going to have an excellent game that will show you the need for quicker feedback loops. You can use this game to illustrate the need for a customer in your sprint review, a the need for sprints in the first place rather than long releases, or the need for a stakeholder to participate in your sprint review, or the need for openness even among teammates so that you can inspect and adapt. Or if there's another learning that you got, please put it in the in the comments below, and I will of course see everything that you do, and we will grow together as a community as we share these videos. But the link to the template will be in the description below if you, of course, need it to play the game. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. I want to take a brief second to thank Tim, Aruna, Steve, another Tim. The links to their description, the links to them will be in the description below. So make sure to go, if you need their expertise, go to them for that. And these are truly amazing people. Without these games would not be possible. So kudos to them. Don't forget, you can support the channel and list ways listed below in the description if you so like, or it's always free to like and subscribe. Helps me with the algorithm, so to speak. But without further ado, let's roll that intro and get to gaming. All right, so this is the Battleship game. And just to zoom in here, it was created by boxuk.com, and it is a great little game. The goal is to sink as many ships as possible, and you've probably remembered this because it's basically it's Battleship like you used to play as a kid. If you played it like me, I wasn't that good, but hopefully we'll be better at this one. So we have a quick game of Battleship to help understand iterative development and short feedback loops. So we have this template here. It should be on the Miroverse, hopefully sometime soon. I have the instructions here on the left-hand side, but since I've wrote the instructions, I kind of know how to do them. The instructions will also be in the description below if you guys are interested. But we have a very quick link here. But before we start, I would like to have everyone put their names in a box next to a turn in the turn order. So if someone would like to be actually, never mind. Let me do it for you. I'm the facilitator. Allow me to serve you in that way. So please click out of the box. If you're in it, cool. That way, who wants to go first? Names.
Aruna. Yeah, I knew it.
Bruno.
Voluntold again. All right. And who next?
Tim Nolan will go next.
Tim Nolan. All right. And then who else? Who else is left? Steve. All right, Steve's gonna go. And then we have the other Tim.
Yeah, that guy.
So many Tims. Again, we're gonna be playing Battleship, but we're going to be playing in this turn order. So try to remember that turn order. I will also put this on the other side of my screen so I can put it there. Hold on one second while I switch to the other magic board. And for all of you that are in my Zoom right now, I would like you to switch to viewing my screen share instead of being in the Zoom. So if you're only on one monitor, please switch back to the Zoom. So we're going to try to play a game of Battleship, and you're going to be picking the shots in turn order. We're going to have 5 minutes. So as soon as I hit start, those 5 minutes start. Okay, so you're going to call out the names of the board. So the board is going to be labeled with kind of like Excel. Columns are going to be A through H, and then the rows are going to be 1 through 8. So you're going to call shots by telling me A1, B2, excuse me, H7, that kind of stuff. And so these are you're going to try to guess as a team where the enemy has placed their ships. And so we're going to start now. Wait, I want to ask, does anyone else have any questions, or is anything unclear?
Hey, so who's responsible for marking the board in Miro?
Oh, that's a good question. So I, the facilitator, and anyone who's facilitating should be the one marking this. I will eventually create a 2-team version of this, which will be fun. But I have not created that Miro yet. So, but if you are watching this, then stay tuned for that in the future. But right now, this is just a single player. It's us against the computer, and I will be choosing the shots that you tell me.
Okay. Fair
So
enough. I like having fun. I mean,
in the same turn order.
All right.
oh, we're on the clock. We got to
Yep.
go.
Alpha 3.
Alpha 3.
Is this the feedback one or the no feedback?
Delta
one?
4.
Okay. Delta
Delayed.
4.
Delayed.
Well, I'm gonna go Delta 5.
All right, Tim.
I'm going to take Gulf 7.
Golf 7. Okay.
I'll take H5.
H5. All right. Steve.
Foxtrot. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead, Tim.
Foxtrot 2.
Foxtrot.
Foxtrot 2.
E4.
E4.
I'm going to go with Foxtrot 8.
Foxtrot 8.
Okay, I'm gonna go with G8.
G8. Okay.
Bravo 2.
Bravo 2.
Delta 8.
Steve. Sorry.
Oh,
E5.
yeah,
Sorry.
now I'm stepping on Steve.
Echo 5.
Echo 5.
And I'll do Echo 7.
Echo 7.
I'll do Alpha 7.
Alpha 7.
Bravo 6.
Bravo 6.
Echo 8.
Echo 8.
And I'll take let me go with Charlie 7.
Charlie 7. All right. Aruna, you buying a vowel?
Charlie 6.
Charlie 6.
Hotel 1.
Hotel 1.
Echo 6.
Echo 6.
Hotel 6.
Hotel 6.
Okay, Gamma 4.
Gamma 4.
Delta 1.
Delta 1.
Delta 6.
Delta 6.
Bravo 4.
Bravo 4.
Okay, I'll go to Bravo 3.
Bravo 3.
Charlie 3.
Charlie 3.
Delta
Good call,
7.
Tim.
Delta 7.
Delta 7.
Give me Golf 3.
Golf 3.
I'll take Gamma 2.
Gamma 2.
Alpha 8.
All right.
All right, we're
That
done.
is it.
Yep.
And it's still, oh, we got to like,
Oh!
We got a submarine.
That's it. Did some damage.
Man,
Don't care.
disappointed.
So only one ship sunk.
yep. That's how it was for me. Like I did this like 4 or 5 different times, and that's what I was like, that's what I always end up doing.
So it's interesting. If you look at the way that the pattern going across 7 was, we were only one hit off from sinking the carrier.
But you would have no idea, right?
Right.
So I could tell halfway through the game that we weren't getting feedback. So then I was filling in areas. I switched my strategy partway through. I
Okay.
think I-
Spoilers,
Yeah.
Steve. Spoilers.
Step on it.
So yeah, I mean, given that this is to demonstrate some delayed feedback, I guess do we want to do a quick retro and figure out what we want to
Actually,
do differently?
There is one more round to this. It's 2 different rounds. And so
Okay.
this is actually, you're now going to experience feedback in this round, and you got a remaining time of minute 13, by the way, and you'll see the scores after. But this is actually to facilitate those conversations after the 2 rounds are done about how you're currently working and the kinds of feedback. So let me go there real quick. If you're ready to start, we're going to do the same thing again. No take backsies, obviously, But you need to tell me your shots and I will fire them. And I will try to be very accurate because there are no take backsies, especially in this next round. Because in the previous round, I could actually, if I misclicked, I could change the shot. I cannot do that here in this next round. So very important to note. But without further ado, we're going to start the round. The 5 minutes are going to start. All right, let's start again. Aruna.
Charlie 3.
Charlie 3. Oh, always hits on the first time.
Wow. Aruna,
Delta
you-
3.
You should do every
Delta 3.
hit.
No, it's not a hit. It's a miss.
Charlie 2.
Charlie 2. All right.
Charlie 4.
Charlie 4.
Okay. I'll do Alpha 8.
Alpha 8.
Charlie 5.
Charlie 5.
Charlie 6.
Charlie 6.
Oh!
You can have the big boys.
Oh,
All right. Got 6 more ships to go. So, all right. So
whose turn
who's
is it?
it's
Steve's.
Steve's.
Mine, oh gosh. F4. Foxtrot 4.
Oh,
Oh!
All right, Tim.
I'll take it. Echo 4.
Echo 4.
Oh, all right. So I should take a Gamma 4.
Gamma 4.
Ah!
Yeah.
All
That's
right.
up to you, Tim. Come on, don't ruin a streak.
Hotel 1.
Hotel 1.
Ah.
I'm gonna go for Foxtrot 2.
Foxtrot 2.
Okay.
I'll do Hotel 8.
Hotel 8.
Ooh.
Nice.
All right.
All right. Then I'll do Echo 7.
Echo 7.
Ooh. Echo 6.
Thanks,
Go six.
Aruna. You're deadly.
I know.
That's true.
Steve, it's your turn, buddy.
I'm gonna go for Delta 7.
Delta 7.
Oh, wow. Okay. I got to make this one count then.
Uh-huh.
So let's go with Charlie 7.
Charlie 7.
Ooh,
Okay, so all
did I
two
go
are
with Bravo 7?
Bravo 7.
Yeah.
Alpha
Okay.
7.
Alpha 7.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh,
Foxtrot 7.
Foxtrot 7. All right.
this is still a game of luck in the beginning.
Yeah. Still, it's pretty amazing though. I think that's a better example for sure. All right. So who?
I think
who
it's
went last?
Nolan's turn.
Nolan.
Oh, Alpha 1.
Alpha 1. All right.
Where would they put that last ship? They're gonna put it on B4.
We need a submarine as
B4.
well.
All right. Tim T.
I'm going to take Golf 6.
Golf 6.
Mhm. Okay, then I'll take Hotel 5.
Hotel 5.
Mm.
Okay.
Alpha 4.
Alpha 4. Oh,
Look at that.
Ooh.
Alpha 3.
Alpha 3.
Ooh,
Tim D.
Yeah, it's going to be Alpha 5.
Gotta find that sub.
Who's gonna
That's
last
right.
money?
That was just
three
random
shots.
acts of bombing.
Aruna, make it count. Come on.
yeah. I don't know. Echo 1.
Echo 1. Nope.
All right. Echo 5.
Go 5.
I feel good about Echo 8.
Last one. Ah.
Oh!
Wow. All right. So obviously, our times and our feedback and the
This is more like
the
it.
hits, yes.
Whoa, we took more time? How can that be?
But you also got more shots and more value, right?
I know.
Yeah, we actually increased our kill ratio by 1.
The extra time was for all the celebrating, obviously, that we actually kept hitting stuff.
The touchdown dances.
Yeah.
I think that's an example you can use right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I like that.
An
That's
example.
that's a good wide range. So
Yeah. This is obviously what we get whenever we have delayed feedback versus our instant feedback.
I
And
mean, this is great because look at that time, right? The instant feedback takes longer, but you get more sunk ships. You get more value.
yeah.
This
goes
is
into
a
it.
great game. This
I
is
I really good
this-
call,
this is
James. Really
brilliant.
good call.
this is brilliant, James. This is awesome.
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
definitely using this one.
Well, this is
I'm giving you 2 thumbs up,
We're
buddy.
doing
2
we're
thumbs.
doing we're doing our yearly budgets right now. They're asking for dates when the things will be done.
okay. So I
So
don't think this is that game,
What's
but
that?
I don't think this is for that game.
No.
You
No.
want an estimation game? We can do one of those. But
No.
no, this is for Box UK. I will definitely give all the credit to them because they have obviously created a great little online version of this game. Can also be found on Tasty Cupcakes. I have no idea who invented it, but these guys have created it very well. So thanks to them. Kudos.
Oh,
Um,
so Don did
Hmm.
did a version of this game as well?
I know that it's on the from what I saw, it was on the Tasty Cupcakes website. From what I
Okay.
at least from what I remember, I could be remembering wrong. I looked up a ton of games this weekend trying to figure out which ones I wanted to do, and this was definitely it obviously made the cut because it's an amazing little game, little platform, teaches very simply, and yep, go check it out. Go play it with your teams. Let me know what you think. Any last thoughts in our retro or other uses?
So what do you think the maximum amount of players would be for this game?
Well, I have in my template, which I will go back to here.
I think it's unlimited, right? I mean, you could have
Well, I think you might end up
10 would be fine.
Well, it'd be
Yeah.
a curious experiment, right? A large group of people versus a smaller group of people. I mean, there's something to be said about a story on that
Even-
line.
Yeah.
Okay, I set the stage. A big lecture hall, people just crying out numbers,
Yeah.
and you take whatever one you want, just make it up. Doesn't matter. Just, oh, I heard B4.
like
You know,
bingo.
you could do that. You could, not the shouting part, but you could go to Menti
I think you should reward the people who shout the loudest.
or digitally put your numbers in, and the biggest number has the biggest, the cloud thing.
Good idea.
Well, actually, the most that I've actually said that in the template that I'm planning on creating, that which is right here, there are obviously 30 shots that you can fire. So the maximum that I would recommend playing this would be 30 people. So that way you have at least one shot for each person. And if one shot misses, then you can definitely blame that one person who missed it for you. So that's
That is
my,
wrong.
that's my
Right.
game master's recommendation there.
The blame.
Somebody's got to be a scapegoat.
Or give a hard time. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna obviously I want to create a good company culture, but sometimes part of that is having fun with each other. So but no, you can obviously add people and the numbers of here to this
Really good
chart.
All right.
And so if you add up to 30, that's one shot for each person. And so that's kind of I would not like to do it with more than 10 and give everyone at least 3 shots or so to
Right.
to go with it. But
Yeah, and James, you kind of hit on where I was thinking as well, because the other part of this is that if you did that whole 30-to-1 deal, nobody feels really invested in the game at that point. Whereas if you're using the 10-player with 3 shots, that's where you get a level of engagement. You're not going to get us, but
yeah.
You can get people engaged by doing what Aruna suggested. Have them like a little app that does numbers, or
Yeah.
little, like those things that like take
Cloud
numbers.
becomes bigger, the word becomes bigger with the no more,
Yeah, that's the one. That one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
you
Menti
totally
does that, right? I think you can do this with a large crowd with Menti as a digital tool to help
Yeah.
you.
I totally agree. That would be awesome. Or just have them yell out and then just pick whatever you want.
Well, if you guys would like to help me facilitate that large event and help me do that, I think that would be
You
amazing.
can play it up like, is it A1 or is it B6? Who votes for A1?
Oh my God, that would be so aggravating, Steve. Oh my goodness.
But you know what? He would thoroughly be the best at it.
And he would
Just saying.
love every minute of that,
It
wouldn't
would be
he?
awesome.
Exactly.
Like you're just
It would
picking
just be
numbers
so
and
over the top.
random numbers of those people. Come on.
Do you have any insights that you found while watching this game? Well, please put them in the comments below. Do you have any suggestions for other games that you like that you would like to have me cover? Please put those in the comments below. I'm always looking for new and great games. Again, it's the community that's really going to be helping each other in the comments below that I would really love to see and for us to grow together. If you got value out of this, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It's free. Of course, helps me with the algorithm on YouTube. But if you want to take it a step further and support the channel, would also love that, but totally understand. See you in the next video. Keep on learning.